NCERT syllabus for Class 1, Unit-4, Once I Saw a Little Bird. Sing and enjoy this poem. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Let's know the summary of this poem. In this poem, a boy sees a little bird sitting at his window. He comes near the bird to talk to him, but the bird rapidly flew away. Let's know the new word and use in the sentences. First word is bird, a type of animal that has wings, beak and feathers and can fly. Example, I want to keep a bird as a pet. That bird is very beautiful. Next word is hop. Hop means to jump over. Sentence, I like to hop in the rain. I will hop over the stone. Next word is stop. Stop means to bring to an end. Sentences, the bus will stop now. I will not stop speaking. Next word is tail, the part of an animal's body that extends from the animal's back end. Sentences, the tail of the squirrel is very soft. Second sentence, elephant has a very small tail. Window, an opening in a wall where glass is put so that people can see outside. Sentences, please open the window. Second sentence, there is no window in my room. Question first, what did the child see? Answer, the child saw a little bird. Question second, what was the little bird doing? The little bird came hopping to the window and then shook his little tail and flew away. Question number 3. Do you see any birds around your school or your house? Yes, I see many birds around my school and house every day. Yesterday, I saw some pigeons. Question number 4. Have you tried talking to them? Yes, I tried talking to a little bird 2 days ago, but it did not talk to me. Say these words loud and talk about the picture. Tick them the right color. Say roof, door, windows, walls. The roof is pink or blue. We can see the roof is pink. The walls are yellow or red. Wall, we can see the walls are yellow. The windows are green or brown. We can see the windows are brown. Next is the door is blue or grey. Here we can see the door is blue.